If you are depositing more than $1,000, then text me on WhatsApp. I'll leave my number in the video here. But today's video, you are going to be learning 4 ways to make money on ByBit. We are going to be using the ByBit P2P, how to use the changes in the currencies to make money. We are also going to be doing ByBit copy trading and also how to use the ByBit Derivatives option. Okay, so first thing, I will withdraw money from my Binance account to ByBit. Those who are in Nigeria and US, make sure you watch this video from start to finish, because I'm going to be showing you how to use the ByBit P2P so that you can also deposit money into your ByBit account. So I'll be opening my ByBit account now. Just look at the phone here, because I'm going to project this phone to this place so that you can understand whether you are using this thing, what do we call it, Android phone or an iPhone, still the same way. So I'll just open my ByBit account. You can see I have $0 in my ByBit. I don't use ByBit, so let's go. We are going to click on the deposit bar here. When you click on the wallet, you can see on the home page we have deposit bar. So you click on the deposit. When you click on deposit, now you are going to select deposit crypto directly. Okay, so we select deposit crypto. Now we select USDT. So if I select USDT, when we say chain type or when we say network, the network is where the coins are going to pass through. So if you are withdrawing from Ethereum, you can be using ERC network. If you are withdrawing USDT, use TRC. I'm going to select USDT and withdraw it to my ByBit account. I'm going to be withdrawing 60 USDT. So let's bring my cursor here. When we open Binance, my money is inside my spot wallet. So I click on wallet session here, then I click on USDT. I also want to use this opportunity and tell you that never ever put all your eggs in one basket. Make sure you have Trust Wallet account. Make sure you also have ByBit account. You also have KuCoin account. Don't put all your money in Binance. Divide them. You can just wake up one day and Binance will not be there. Okay, so always divide your money into 4 or 5. You can keep $1,000 in your Binance, $1,000 on ByBit, $1,000 on Trust Wallet, just to avoid people scamming you. Okay, so we'll paste the address that we have copied from ByBit. So I'll just paste it here. You can see I have copied and pasted. Now we have the TRC20. You select the True Network. This one, that's the one that you are supposed to select. Okay, so now that you have selected it, remember we are withdrawing $60, so we'll just make it $61. The network fee is $1. If you are using TRC20, they usually charge you $1 for every transaction you make, for every withdrawal. So I just click on withdraw session here. So when I click on confirm, always confirm the address before you withdraw. So Binance is just going to verify my face to make sure that I'm the one withdrawing the money. Then after that, everything will just, okay. So let me just verify my face here. So when I withdraw the money, it will just take less than 2 to withdraw 61 USDT to my ByBit account. But when the money comes, it will be $60. Remember I told you about the transaction address. So if you don't know how to withdraw money from your Binance to ByBit and you are from Nigeria or United States, I've just showed you how to do it. I told you that if you are trying to use ByBit P2P and you want to deposit more than $1,000, that's about 30,000 Ghana cedis, text me on WhatsApp. It will be too risky, so that I can help you. I have USDT. I'll send you and collect your cash. So if you are from USA or Nigeria, I'll just give you the details. When you make payment, I send it to you within 5 minutes. Okay, so now we are going to open our ByBit, right? So when we open the ByBit app here, so I've just opened my ByBit. Now I'll go to my ByBit wallet. So within some 5 minutes, the money will arrive here. So you can see right now we still have $0. So I'm going to go straight to how to use the ByBit P2P. So for us to use the ByBit P2P, now we are going to click on the home session. So when you click on the home session, just go to the top and you type in P2P there. P2P. Now you select the P2P here. Okay, it's just the same as using Binance P2P. So when you click here, we also have fiat currency. If you want, you can deposit from your bank account, right? You can deposit from your bank account by selecting the fiat currency. For ByBit P2P, 1 USDT is equivalent to 13 cedis, 24 pesos, and it's even increasing up to 13 cedis, 20 or 30 pesos. So that means if you want to get $1 and you are in Ghana, you have to pay 13 cedis, 26 pesos to get it. Okay, the highest or the lowest is 13 cedis, 25 pesos. I'm saying that if you are buying less than $1,000, you can use ByBit P2P. But if you are buying more than $1,000, I'll leave my number here so that I'll sell it to you myself. That will be even safer. So if we want to buy, like let's say we have someone having a limit of $10 to $1,000, that's about 19,000 Ghana cedis. Okay, so we just click on confirm status. Now I'm just going to select someone and try to teach you. So the options here are even marvelous. You can see we have MTN mobile money, we also have Vodafone cash and MTN Momo. This guy is online. Always check to make sure that the person is online, and make sure the person have completed over 300 orders. That means he's serious. This person have completed over 614 orders. That means he's always on ByBit. That's his business. So we are going to be buying from him, but his rate is 13 cedis, 25 pesos. So that means we'll pay him 13 cedis, 25 pesos per dollar. So I'll just click on buy here. So when I click on buy, now I have to enter the amount that I want to buy. Either you are going to enter the amount that you want to deposit. If you want to deposit 400 cedis, 300 cedis, and the person is also saying MTN and Vodafone users only. The person is giving you their terms and conditions. Always check their terms and conditions. Don't go and tell him that you are going to use Airtel Tigo. If you have Airtel Tigo, find someone who will sell Airtel Tigo to you. This person is only doing Vodafone users and MTN users. So if I want to get 500 Ghana cedis of USDT, I will have to pay him through MTN mobile money or Vodafone transfer, Vodafone cash. Okay, so you just enter the amount here and click on buy. Then you give your number to him and allow cash out. Some of them will just send you their personal number. When you make the payment, then they will now give it to you. If you are in Nigeria, the same method. You select the bank, do the transfer, then when you are done, you just click on confirm. Okay, so now that you have just learned how to use ByBit P2P, now you can see the money have now come. 60 USDT is now in my wallet here. So let's say we are going to do ByBit copy trading. So for us to do ByBit copy trading, this one is very simple here. So we have the home page here. Look at it. When we go to the home page of ByBit, we have copy trading at this session. I'll advise that you shouldn't do copy trading. Just learn how to trade. Don't go and be copying other people. Okay, or you just lose your money and learn sense. For me, I always tell my students that my responsibility is to teach you how to trade. Don't be copying my trades, because if you want to copy my trade, these people are doing ByBit copy trading. So we can even copy from this person or the next person. Some of them have their own amount. So a person can say that you can only copy my trades if you have $100. Others will tell you $1,000. Others will tell you $2,000. I'll even advise you that don't do copy trading. Learn how to trade. Is better than copying other people. Okay, in the long run, you are just going to lose money. Anyone who join my private community, I try to teach you how to trade so that you won't need me again. Okay, don't be reliant on people's signals. I know how to control my emotions and my trades. So if you copy my trades, at the end of the day, you will lose and say that my trades are wrong. Meanwhile, you are the own problem here, not me. So I can just select from these people. Me, I don't even trust what they are doing here. Some of them, they have negative PNLs. Okay, so let's say we want to select from someone from this session. Okay, let's see how much. He has 69 followers. He only trade. You see, his minimum balance is 500 USD. That means for you to copy from this person, you need to deposit more than 500 USDT. So let's go for another one here. So this person, we can copy from him. We just have to enter 50 USDT. So I enter 50 USDT from my account here. Then if I click on copy, that's simple and easy. I'll now be making money. When he plays trade, ByBit will also place it on my behalf. Okay, so that's how you do ByBit Derivatives. Is the same as Binance futures or KuCoin derivatives. So for people in Nigeria, they are finding it difficult accessing P2P. Their withdrawals are very difficult to do. So now what we can do is we can use ByBit, right? So if you have been wanting, how do I trade on ByBit? The same thing they call derivatives is the same thing on futures on Binance and KuCoin. So now we are going to select the middle bar here. You see we have home session. Always update your exchange app. If you are using Binance, ByBit or KuCoin, make sure you always update it every 48 hours. When you see update, try and update it, okay, or it will mess up your trades. So now we'll select the derivatives option here. So when we select the derivatives, we have the chart, we have trade. If you are going to do your technical analysis and fundamental analysis, use your PC. Don't go and use your smartphone to do fundamental and technical analysis. So we click on the trade session at the top. You only use your smartphone when you are going to enter trade. So for me to even enter a trade, I need to first add money into my ByBit Derivatives wallet. So for me to add the money, we have cross margin. Leave it like the way it is. Now we'll come to the deposit start button at the top right hand side. This place is called the order book. The order book contains buyers and sellers. Where you want to sell, someone want to buy from that place, and where you are buying, someone is selling. So those who are the red people are those on top. When you check the right hand side, then we have the green people down. They are the book, right? Now we are going to deposit money. So we just click on deposit money here. Then you click on transfer. So we are going to transfer the money from our account. So let's just go for max. So I've just transferred all the 60 USDT to my derivatives wallet. Okay, so now that you can even see the 60 USDT being there. So you change it to market. Anytime you are going to enter a trade, always change it from limit to market. When we enter a trade, the take profit and the stop loss will be at the orders. Then the position itself will be at the position side. So the take profit is where you want to exit the market if the trade goes well. So let's say you are thinking Bitcoin will go to like 73,000. That's your target. That's your take profit. If you are going to raise money, then you need to also know that Bitcoin might not go to 73,000. So you are risking something. What you are risking become your stop loss. So you can raise like $100 if Bitcoin is going to 73,000. If Bitcoin reaches 73,000, your profit should be around $300 to $500. If you are risking $10, you should be able to make $300 or $400 on one trade. That's a profitable trading strategy. But if your strategy is giving you 1:1, 1:2, dump it. In the long run, you are going to lose money. Okay, so let's say I'm thinking Ethereum will go to $3,900. So I'll search for Ethereum here. I'm just showing you how to enter a trade, so you have to pay close attention. So we'll click on the BTC at the top here. Remember, we only trade USDT perpetuals. So we select Ethereum. So Ethereum price is currently at $3,870. So we are going to sell Ethereum, right? We'll click on the TP/SL here. Okay, before we do that, let's go for our margin. So let's say I want to use something like I'll just be using something like $5 on this trade, or $8. So if I use $8 with a maximum leverage of 100x, please don't try this, right? Then we have the TP/SL. As I told you before, the take profit is where you want to exit the market if the trade is going well. Then we have the stop loss being where you want to exit the market should in case the trade try to reverse to the opposite direction. So I am thinking Ethereum will go down. So I'll click on the short section. When I click on the short section, I'll enter my stop loss. So my take profit, right? My take profit will be 1,800. Okay. So if Ethereum falls to $3,800, I'll be making $37 from this. Now let's enter our stop loss. So our stop loss can be $4,000. Okay, let's see. So if Ethereum decide to go to 4,000,